Ciao, my name is Marina Caneve. I'm Italian. I'm a photographer working within the field of artistic research. The series Bridges Are Beautiful is a research project initiated in 2015 that takes the Natura 2000 network as a reference for researching the place that human beings occupy within nature. This network is a series of ecological corridors promoted by the European Union, created to preserve fauna, flora, and biodiversity. It is a transnational communication system that goes beyond the border policies of each state and puts ecological logic at first. My work explores the tension that emerges from the power that human beings try to exert over nature. To do so, I analyze contradictory relationships between infrastructure construction, border policies, and freedom of movement and nature conservation. It is about belonging, a sense of belonging, where to find common origins, social and cultural common heritage. It is being part of a system where celebrating diversity. Nature future is permeated by ecological thinking, which is crucial in any contemporary reflection, and therefore our future. As well, it can be a powerful weapon because it glues together nature, ecology, and culture. Therefore, a question: what will happen if culture succeeded in giving the European project a completely different meaning or sense?